So now we're going to have a look at the solution. So the task was to extend our specification of the grid world, try to guarantee that the robot should never be away from the position P1 for more than 20 steps. And this should never, we have seen something very similar. That's basically some kind of strange trigger that ends in false. So something should never happen. Now we write a guarantee with a trigger. Again, we don't care what happens before, but as soon as we have not P1 for 20 steps, so we don't have to say 20 or more steps because the left side will always be satisfied, or as soon as the left side is satisfied. So the first instance that the left side is satisfied, we move over to the right side. So basically, it doesn't matter whether we write 20 or more. If it's the end of the regular expression, then this would not change anything. So here, as soon as we're not at P1 for 20 steps, 20 consecutive times, then that's the false. So basically, this left regular expression should never be satisfied, written in this trigger. Maybe not the best use of triggers because the right side is very simple, but it could be seen as a possible way of using the triggers here.